Okay, thanks, Lauren. Merci beaucoup. So I'm happy to share the triac experience with you. First of all, I was an immigrant 7 years ago, and oh, okay, okay, okay. Can you hear me at the back? Okay. So 7 years ago, I was myself an immigrant. I studied in Cameroon, Central Africa, and then I moved in Germany, Switzerland, and I was dreaming of working in the international development field. And then I realized after a year and a half in Germany that that was not an, an appropriate place for me to get my international study. And then I moved to Switzerland where I study and work, and then I moved to Canada. I've been part of the mentorship program here in Toronto, so I was a mentee, and then I was a mentor, and then I worked for the Toronto Region Immigrant, for the TRCA, Toronto Region Conservation Authority, for about 5 years, and then I used my mentorship experience and created a program called Mentoring to Partnering for Environmental Professionals. So it's kind of long, but anyway, so I'm happy today to work for TRIAC, and I'm the manager of the Professional Immigrant Networks. So what I will say as a summary is that we work with professional immigrant associations, volunteer run, and all those associations are run by skilled immigrants. So usually the first goal for those associations, for those leaders, is to connect their members, because they're all member-based, to connect their members to any employment opportunities. So today we just have a few points to talk about, to discuss about. I will explain what PING is, what the Professional Immigrant Network is, and then I will go over what we do with leaders, because our primary audience is a leader. We work with leaders, we empower leaders. And then I will address how you can engage in this network. So as I was saying, we are a network of over 40 associations. They are volunteer run. They have sometimes boards, sometimes they are informal group, sometimes they're formal group. But usually what we look at is if they have one employment element to support the members, and also we check with them and see if they have enough members that they serve. That is like the criteria that that we have to accept them to be part of our network. To date, 50% of those associations are more ethnocultural based. The half is a mix of professional group and a combo. Like some are professional and ethnocultural, and some are just professional. Just an example. The CIMA stands for Charter International Accountant. So these are the people with accounting degree, and they come together because the accountant field here is a licensing field, right? So they work together to be able to support their members, to connect with the system, get recognized, and then also get employment. We do have CCPA stand for Colombian Canadian Professional Associations, and then here today we have Gerard, who is the president of the NCMP, standing for New Canadian Media Professionals, and Beatrice from AREC, Association of Romanian Engineers of Canada. So we are a network of association, has a program, and our strength is really to connect leaders, to empower leaders. Number one, we do capacity building, we provide workshops. So we hire external facilitators to provide workshops that are of interest of all the leaders, right? And we also link leaders to external training to build your capacity, to be better leaders, and also be able to serve their member in a very effective way. Usually, we do evaluation to make sure that we understand the need or the interests of leaders, and that's how we decide on topics. Like last year, we provided 7 topics, and the main topics were around volunteer management. We had a very popular topic on event planning, taking into account that many associations or many group organize events for their members, like speaking series and also group mentoring. The way we connect with the public, we connect with the public through our public website and our online community, which is a login site or our website. We also provide opportunities for association, for leaders to be involved in consultations. For example, last year we worked with the OFC, the Office for the Fairness Commissioner, and organized 3 consultation sessions with engineering group and physician groups for them to provide their experience and their input within the licensing process in the field. We also provide media opportunities to leaders and also speaking opportunities, because we believe that we really address like a systemic change at Triad, and we believe that having leaders speaking on behalf of their members can be effective. The way we make connections to address associations and leaders' expectations is diverse. Associations are different. Some are really well organized. Some the REC has been there for the past 10 years, so they really advance. While NCMP is just like a 1-year-old association, but a lot of track record for the NCMP. So we, again, listen to leaders and develop or provide opportunities for them to learn and to create more activities for their members. Today, I think Beatrice from AREC will share with you the experience of AREC being part of the group mentoring training with GVS. We have a total of 7 associations since 2011 who participated in that group training and who are now replicating that experience within their own association with their members, and it's very effective. We also build awareness, like we attend a lot of events, we talk to a lot of skilled immigrants, we talk to employers. The idea is to try to explore and find diverse ways for employers to provide employment opportunities to being associations. So we do have, this is our public website, and this is what we call our online community. The difference of these 2 websites is that if you go to network4immigrant.ca, this is our main website, you will see this front page, and that's how we connect with the public in general. If you are a leader, you might just click on leaders. If you are a partner, by partner, we understand employment service providers, community agency, any other provider who can support our leaders, and employers. And as a network leaders, we understand leaders. Like we use the term networks. This is based on the history. Today we use as more association because we come across some people saying that it's easier to understand association than networks. So if you go to the website, you will see that sometimes we use the term network and sometimes it's association. So we're in the process of reviewing the language on our website. The login site is very interesting. That's where when you become a partner or an association, we provided, Leo is here, he's the program coordinator, he's the one in charge of all the IT side. So we provided you with a username and a password for you to be able to engage with other leaders and with our partners. So to date, we have about 150 users to the website, taking into account that we have 3 users by associations. So there are different ways that you can engage with associations. I think the first one is to help promote our directory. Like on our public website, we do have a directory where you can browse associations based on the professions or based on their ethnocultural background. So usually we have a lot of referrals from partners and individual skilled immigrant based on their need, based on their profession, can go to that website and browse 1, 2, or 3 associations that are relevant to them and send a message from the website. We do have that feature that kind of provide opportunity for an individual to contact a leader or many leaders directly. So they are not sending an email to us, they're doing that directly to the website. You can also become a partner of the Ping Association, of the Ping Initiative, and maybe promote your services if your services is relevant to associations. Maybe if you want to engage association based on the resources, based on the support that you offer, that's something that we can discuss. You can also provide opportunities to leaders to speak, maybe to your AGM or any other relevant events that you might have or that you might identify. So I think that's it. The initiative has been funded by the Ontario Freedom Foundation, CIC, and Scotiabank. Thank you.